Hey guys, welcome back to Alfath Gaming. Have you ever thought about playing Web3 games but racking up insane passive income that almost sounds too good to be true? Well, today the Web3 gaming world is getting rocked by massive news. CROSS has just launched their biggest infrastructure upgrade yet, CROSS Mainnet 2.0. And the craziest part? Their staking pools just opened up with a mind-blowing APR of over 100%. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what this Breakpoint update is, how profitable the new system actually is, and a foolproof tutorial so you can maximize your gains. So, stay tuned. Now, why is this upgrade called Breakpoint? Because it's the ultimate turning point that completely revamps their Gamechain economy to make it super healthy for the long run. There are 3 new economic pillars you absolutely need to understand. First, the Proof of Staked Authority Consensus. This is the secret behind why game transactions on Cross are now lightning fast with dirt cheap gas fees. Second, 100% fee burn. This is the best news for investors. All transaction fees on the Cross network are now 100% burned, meaning they are permanently removed from circulation. The logic is simple. The more people play, the scarcer the dollar Cross token becomes, which could send the price skyrocketing. Third, Halving Rewards. The amount of new tokens being released will be cut in half to fight off inflation. This ensures that the value of your in-game assets stays well protected over time. Alright, let's take a look at the real-time data on the dashboard. Right now, there are around 1,200 stakers with a total locked volume hitting 236 million cross, which is equivalent to $24.9 million US. Network security is backed by 21 Nexus validator councils, boasting a near-perfect uptime of 99.9%. Now let's crunch the numbers on the potential. Currently, the Delegation APR is sitting at a whopping 127%. Keep in mind, this number is dynamic, so it's a first-come, first-served situation while the pool is still fresh. Let's run a quick simulation. If you put in a principal of 5,000 cross, you can earn an estimated reward of around 529 cross tokens in just 1 month. And in 1 year, your balance is projected to grow to 11,350 cross tokens. Isn't that insane for passive income? Getting started is incredibly easy and beginner-friendly, with the minimum staking requirement being just 10 cross. You can use CROSSx wallet, MetaMask, or Binance wallet. For this guide, I'll be showing you how to do it using the CROSSx wallet. First, make sure your tokens are ready. You can deposit them through the Binance network or directly via the CROSS Mainnet. Next, head over to the portfolio menu, click Make Stake or Stake Now, enter the amount you want to stake, and then confirm the transaction in your wallet. And that's it. Your daily rewards will start accumulating under Accrued Rewards, and you can just click Compound if you want to roll them back in so your interest starts multiplying like crazy. But hold on, there are rules to this game. If you ever want to unstake, there is a 14-day unbonding period. During this 2-week waiting phase, your tokens will be locked up and your daily bonus rewards will be put on hold. So, make sure you are only using funds you don't mind locking away for a bit. One more thing, when you claim, the tokens are only sent via the CROSS Mainnet. If you want to cash out or sell them on a standard crypto exchange, you will need to bridge them back to the BSC network first, unless you are using the Gopax exchange in Korea, which already supports direct cross-network transfers. To sum it up, CROSS Mainnet 2.0 is a massive window of opportunity for us to secure our assets during the early stages of this upgrade. I've put all the official registration links and other important info right down in the description below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow Web3 gaming profit hunters. Also, make sure to check out my other videos on GameFi and cross market predictions. Alfath signing off. See you guys in the next money making video. See ya.